It's using an online Word web creator known as Popplet. So starting from Google, we're going to go to www.popplet.com, and you can make an account for free, and it doesn't expire at all. There's no trial date, which is really nice. So here in the right hand corner, sign up for free. I already have created an account, so I'm just going to log in. It's very visually appealing as well, which is nice. The thing to remember though is that you do need an internet connection in order to run this. But you can print these out, and I'll show you how to do that, so you can access them without having internet. So here, an example is part of the grade 3 curriculum, why do we read? So having students learn that reading appeals for a variety of reasons, and therefore there's a variety of texts that we use. So to start our first Popplet, we're going to go on to that gear up at the top and click Make New Popplet. So what I'm going to do in our first Popplet is I'm going to type in our title and one of the ministry expectations. So this is what's known as our learning goal, and by having that part of our brainstorm, it'll remind students sort of what the ultimate task is and ultimate goal. We can resize that using these side icons, and then we just drag and click to wherever we would like to have it on the screen. And then clicking on those gray projections, we click on that and we can add ideas, related ideas. So for instance, for fun, a student might suggest, and then clicking onto a new box, we can add ideas that are not just in Word format. So for example, pictures, clicking on the mountain icon and you can add pictures. I happen to have a picture of a comic book on my computer, so we can just upload that image and have that in as part of our Word web. We can then add text, type in example comic books. We can also add visuals through video. So for example, for example, joke books could be an idea. We click on the mountain image and then click on YouTube, and it's really convenient because we can search for the videos directly through YouTube and view them directly through the Word web. Add to Popplet, and there we go. Again, we can resize and put it anywhere in our Word web that we so choose. This here is, you can change the way you view it. So we're going to click on that text bubble in the right hand corner, and then we can change the way that we view any of our Popplets. So moving forward, we're going to click on a box just to activate it, drag, and then a new Popplet will just pop up. So we'll type in for information, another suggestion. And to delete a Popplet, you click on that X in the right hand corner. Do you really want to delete this Popplet? In this case, we're going to click on yes, and there it vanishes. So it's really simple to delete just one, no need to delete everything. To print, we're going to click on that gear again, and then we have print, and then we can access these Popplets even if we don't have the internet. To view them, you can also show these Popplets in a way that's similar to the software known as Prezi. So basically what we do is we're going to click on record here in this bubble, and we're going to choose which Popplets we want to be viewed in which order. And then it's just a really, really nice way to also explore our Word web. So when we are showing this, we're going to use our keyboard keys to move between Popplets. So there isn't the option to do to create slides for timed. You do have to manually move them as soon as your class is done watching them, each Popplet, but that could be good if you want to discuss them and you don't know how you're going to spend. You don't know how long you're going to spend discussing a certain Popplet with your students. Just to recap that there. So the software that I used to create this video is called EZVid, E-Z-V-I-D. It was really easy to use, although not the easiest to edit. So depending on what your uses are, you may choose to use it. And you can't download videos directly, but you can upload to YouTube. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you're more confident in using Popplet in your classroom. And again, the best way to explore more is just to play around with the software.